This video is about our tire changes with 2 or 3 help arms. This includes the TWX98, this model here, the TWX36 and the TWX36WDK. Let's start with the clamping area of the X98. That is the wheel size that can be clamped with the machine in general. The machine has an outer clamping area of up to 26 inches and an inner clamping area of up to 28 inches. For what do I need 2 help arms? If I decide to start fitting wheels, either my own or for a tire service or whatever, and I want to fit low profile tires, UHP tires, I want to offer run-flat tires to my clients or I have them on my own car, then it's almost impossible to miss a machine like this one. Because nowadays it's simply impossible to fit a tire without some sort of help mechanism. Tires have become so small and so strong on the carcass, I would argue, that they can hardly be actually moved anywhere with normal manpower. That's why there are tire changes with 2 help arms. As mentioned, the machine is generally suitable for almost all types of tires. That means, if I have a normal standard tire, if I have a low profile tire, a run-flat tire or maybe even both, all of them can be fitted with this machine. This machine, as well as all of our other tire changes, requires a working pressure of 6 to 8 bar so that it can function properly. This machine is available in 230 and in 400 volts. The TWX98 has a semi-pneumatic mounting head. That means that the height adjustment of the head works pneumatically. I can release it here, move it up and down, and lock it here. The width, that is the distance towards the wheel, can be adjusted manually with this screw. So, this is our TWX36. Let's talk about the clamping area first. This machine has an outer clamping area of up to 24 inches for alloy wheels, and an inner clamping area of 26 inches for steel rims, for example. Just like the X98, it's capable of fitting all types of tires. For different sizes, as well as widths and dimensions. Low profile tires, UHP tires, run-flat tires, everything can be easily mounted with the machine. This machine also has the additional possibility of being equipped with the automatic mounting head. Roughly explained, it basically replaces my mounting lever. So, if I have an extremely rigid tire, I don't have to make a huge effort to somehow pull the tire over the rim flange when removing it. Besides that, this machine has a fully pneumatic mounting head. That means I can also release the safety here on this machine. Then I can move the head up and down, forwards and backwards, and as soon as I push this button, the head jumps back and up a little to guarantee the necessary safety distance between the head and the rim. Furthermore, there's a huge benefit here, namely the tilting arm system. So this pedal allows me to tilt the whole arm backwards. This provides a huge benefit regarding user comfort, if the rim is extremely wide. So if I have an extremely wide tire, for example, starting at 300 and up, it is always a small problem when I want to get it on the machine. Because, logically, I have to maneuver the tire first, before I can mount the first side on the rim. This is substantially easier to do with a tilting arm system than with a swing arm system, for example. Besides that, the X36 also has the great advantage that the whole help arm, that means the fixed roller as well as the rim press, is controlled through a single joystick, that is through a sole pneumatic cylinder. It's simply a bit more user-friendly and it's easier to work with it. This machine also has an additional plate. If, for example, I have a stuck tire that is caught on the rim flange at the bottom, or is rather stuck on the rim and doesn't want to come off, I still have the option of going under the tire with the plate, lifting the tire a bit, and I don't have to pull on the tire like a madman. Next to it is our TWX36WDK. It's actually almost no different from the X36. There are a few aspects that must be mentioned. They're needed for the WDK certification, the German Rubber Manufacturers Association. That's why this machine has a few extras that the normal X36 doesn't have. You can see directly that there's a second auxiliary roller, which then puts a little less strain on the tire, and actually makes tire fitting a breeze. So mounting both low profile and run flat tires is really a piece of cake with this machine. And I would say it could be done by practically anyone. The machine has two different rotation speeds for the turntable. The standard is 7 revolutions per minute. When I turn this switch to H, the speed changes to 14 revolutions per minute. Besides that, this machine's bead breaker is a bit stronger. It has a pressure force of 3000 kilograms. Both the TWX36 and the TWX36WDK are available in 400 volts. Both machines have a working pressure of 6 to 8 bar, then they work perfectly. I hope I could help you a bit further with this video. You can now choose a suitable model below. If you have already decided on a specific one, you'll find more specific videos there as well. There are product videos for each machine, and assembly videos where we simply explain further how to install the machines. You will also find the scope of delivery in the product videos, what is included with the machines. If you have any further questions or doubts, you can always give us a call. We are glad to advise you individually on the right machine for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching.